Haiper AI. Haiper aspires to provide AI-powered video creation tools for creative expression while promoting a community-driven strategy. The London-based firm focuses on participatory, ethical model development, which is powered by a dedicated community. Haiper's machine learning, engineering, and product design professionals think technology plays an important part in creativity. Creating text-to-video prompts with the Haiper app is simple. In this tutorial, we'll go over how to build a video with AI step by step. This is the window that appears by default when you open the web app. On the left, pick the Creations menu. The Creations menu is where your videos will be made, and it allows you to select which option to utilize to create your video. You may change your creation mode by clicking one of these options in the UI. We will select Create Video with Text, HD, while using text prompts. Simply input your text prompt and press the Create button. When you press the Create button, it will schedule your video. The video will take a few minutes to take shape. Once finished, view your results. You can download them, add them to your favorites or share them from here on.
I hope this video has been informative and helpful. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos on computer hardware and other tech topics.